What's up, y'all? This is Liz from Cherry Pop Shop, and today we're going to be waxing my underarms, but we are using a new type of wax from Dermwax, and it is their Kiwi Shimmer. This is their Naked Elite line, so they just added green to this wax. This is a gel-based consistency. It's hypoallergenic, vegan, and non-scented, so it's really good for sensitive skin. Also low temperature and quick drying, which means you're going to get the perfect grip when you're removing your wax strips. I can't wait to see the green and the shimmer mixed together. It's going to be perfect for summertime. Let's go ahead and pop this into the pot. I did not mean for that to dump out so fast. Good lord. Alright, it's been melting in the pot for a little bit. Super pretty kiwi green with lots of shimmer, of course. Look at that. Alright, my gloves are on. My skin is prepped with cleanser and baby powder. So this is what we're working with. This is, I think, at least 5 weeks at this point. I did want to push it out again because I do have another event coming up for the 4th of July. Oh my gosh, literal candy on a stick. It's so green, very bright. I'm gonna try to go in a downwards direction while looking at the camera. Lots of pressure to really press that wax into the hair. Just go ahead and hold your skin taut. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I felt that one. And go upwards on this one. Press, press, press. Make that lip. And pull. Whoo-wee. Yeah, this is really good stuff because I'm feeling it. I do have to pluck a couple hairs out, but that's super clean. It even grabbed the peach fuzz, which is pretty impressive for me. All right, time to do the opposite side with my non-dominant hand. So again, we're gonna go in a downwards direction. Really press into the hair. Try to make those borders thick as possible. Make that lip. Always lay your wax in the same direction of hair growth and then remove in the opposite direction. Holy crap, wow. I usually don't use the Naked Elite because it is a little bit more pricey, but it seems like it's definitely worth it. I mean, look at those roots. All right, second half, we're gonna go in the upwards direction now. Press, press, press. You will break the stick before you will hurt yourself, I promise you. This is a gel base, so you can see the hairs after you remove them. Super fast drying too. I have a piece that did not come off all the way. That's what happens when you don't make your borders thick enough. We are done. That was super quick and easy. The hair came out so... Someone needs a new bottle. Anyways, the hair came out super easy and quick. It's probably because I did push it an extra week, but I feel like usually I would have to use way more cleanup strips, and this was very minimal. Again, it is a little bit more on the pricey side, but the Naked Elite, if you can afford it, it's so worth it. My skin is barely irritated. I had to use less cleanup strips, and the results are just amazing. Dermwax is a good brand on its own, but that Naked Elite, perfect. My name is Liz. I am the owner of Cherry Pop Shop. I am located in Huntington Beach, California. I am a full body waxer. I do vajacials, lash lift and tint, brow lamination, and I will be introducing facials onto the book soon. You can book me at cherrypopshop.com, and I hope to see you soon.